Hi guys, and welcome to another installment of Coffee Machine Depot. Today we're going to talk about back flushing your home machine. A lot of people ask, how do I do it? How many times do I do it? How often do I do it? This is what I say. Depends on how much you're using the machine, but typically around every 2 to 3 weeks is a good starting point. How long does it take? It doesn't take that long at all. It's quite easy, and what it does is it cleans the circuit with all the coffee oils that go through the coffee circuit. So this is our coffee circuit. I like to run the water through just to make sure it's all clean. All espresso machines come with a blind disc. Sometimes they can look like a rubber pad where you put it at the bottom of the porta-filter. These are actually a little bit of a lever as well, so if you want to take that basket out, you can just use it as a lever, whack that in there. It's solid, nothing's going to pass through there. Now we want to put, and all different Puricaf and Cafesa and whatever have their own grammage that they want you to put in here. We always say we're going to do around about half a teaspoon. So I'm going to put half a teaspoon in there, put it in the machine, turn it on. Now that's going to go for 10 seconds. So I'm watching the timer there on the PID, and we get to our 10 seconds and we stop. And then we wait 10 seconds. Once we wait 10 seconds, a good idea if you've got a scale actually, so you can see that time. The scales always come with a timer. Go again. Very easy system. Clean your machine. Have a look on our PID again. We are at 10 seconds. Okay, we push stop. I'm going to go start on that timer so we can see the next 10 seconds. And what's happening during that second 10 second or third 10 second phase is it's activating the Cafesa inside the circuit, and it's getting rid of all those bad coffee oils. And then that soap is going to be coming out here. I love backflushing on a E61 group head machine, and the reason why I love doing that is you can see the soap coming out. So for 5 times, for 10 seconds on, wait 10 seconds, 10 seconds off, we are going to do this. And then after the 5th time, we're going to stop it, and we can see now it's quite foamy. We've got a lot of soap here. We're going to run it for 30 seconds. So we run the coffee here for coffee group for 30 seconds. Effectively, we're trying to get all that Cafesa out of the valve. We definitely don't want to have Cafesa left inside the valve. So we just run that for 30 seconds. Okay, that's finished. Put it back in here. I run it for another 10 seconds. I want to see what comes out of this valve at the end after the 10 seconds. If there's still soap in there, we've just got to do it another couple times. Okay, there's a little bit of soap in there. So I'll just let that sit. I'll run it again. I'll even put this glass here. No, that's not going to go there. I can see inside the drip tray. You guys can't see this, but I can see inside the drip tray, and I can see what's coming out. Now that was clean. So now we know that the circuit is clean and it's ready to go. Just a word of advice. Always make a shot with espresso and just dump the first shot, because you still got some soapy stuff in there, so it's not going to taste so nice. So we'll dump that first shot and you're ready to go. So there you go. I mean, that probably took 10 minutes to clean your whole machine, clean your circuit. Do it every 2 to 3 weeks, and if you do, your coffee's going to taste a lot better. It's not going to be so burnt and bitter and horrible tasting, and also your machine's going to last a lot longer. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at Coffee Machine Depot. We're here to help, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.